Hello friends, today we'll talk about the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. So this is a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. It is a digital sensor. So here we have 3 pins. One says VCC, which is for the power. The one all the way to the right says GND, which is for the ground. And the one in the middle, which is out, is for the output. It's a digital sensor. We're going to connect it to a digital pin. So now I will put this on the board. I've already connected the wires on the board. So this one right here is for the ground. The red wire right here is for the power. And the yellow one right here is for the digital pin, which goes to pin number 2. So that is the completed circuit for the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. Okay, so now I will explain the program for the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. As you can see on line 3 and 4, we have included 2 libraries, DHT.h and DHT_U.h. And now we're declaring the object of library DHT. So this declaration has 2 parameters. One is the pin number, which is pin number 2, and the other is the type, which is DHT11. That's the type of the sensor we are using. Here we have declared 3 variables: temp in Celsius, temp in Fahrenheit, and humidity. We have declared these 3 variables of type float because we want our temperature to come in a decimal. So next, in the setup function, we're beginning the serial communication with serial.begin 9600. And then we're initializing the library with DHT.begin. In the loop function, we're first starting off with delaying by 2000 milliseconds or 2 seconds. Then we're reading the temperature by the library, which wants to use it as DHT.readTemperature. Same thing here with humidity, DHT.readHumidity. But because the temperature gives it in Celsius, we want to use it in Fahrenheit. So with that, we're using the formula, which Fahrenheit is equal to Celsius times 9/5 plus 32. So here we have said that temp in Fahrenheit is equal to temp in Celsius times 9/5 plus 32. So in that way we can get our temperature in Fahrenheit. And lastly, we are printing the humidity and temperature on the serial monitor with serial.print. So that is the completed program for the DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor. So now we will test this out. So first we'll compile the program. So it's compiling. Great, it's a success. So now we'll upload the program to the board. And now, okay, it's successfully uploaded. So now let's pull the serial monitor so it will show us the temperature and humidity. So here you can see the humidity is 56% and temperature is 85.64 Fahrenheit. But the DHT11 is not that very accurate. It's usually 5 off or 5. It's usually 5 off. So it's not that very accurate. If you want an accurate sensor, then there's one called the DHT12, which is more accurate. It's better than the DHT11.